Meditation for Marriage. Hello. This powerful session will help you to build the bond of your marriage, whether you have been together for years or whether you are just married. So make sure you are positioned nice and comfortably, where you can fully let go and relax. You may do this session with your partner, or you may do it alone. Either way, make sure you will not be disturbed by the outside world. Let's take a few deep breaths together to center ourselves into this meditation for marriage. Breathe in deeply. And exhale any tension in the body, melting slowly into the surface that is supporting you. Breathe in as much as you can. And breathe out any stress within the mind. Inhale peace and calm. And exhale any doubt or fear. Now, if you haven't already, please allow your eyes to close so that you can begin visualizing the powerful bond growing stronger between you and your beloved partner. Remember back to the day you got married. How did you feel that day and moments after you said your vows? Imagine holding your partner's hand right now, just as you did that day, in that moment. And with your creative mind, see a bond in the form of a golden strand connecting your hands together. It comes from your palms and is stronger than steel. It was created when you promised your heart and unconditional love through the vows. It cannot be broken. This strand of gold is so beautiful and so bright, and goes any distance between you and your partner. Whether you are right next to each other or miles apart, this strand is still just as strong. Clearly see this golden strand binding your love forevermore. Anytime, whenever you are in times of struggle, remember this bond and focus on your palm, feeling it coming from your palm and going all the way to theirs. You are then reconnected to the love that was promised on the day of your marriage for the rest of your life. Wonderful. You can allow the image of the golden strand to fade, but know that it is always there, deeply connecting you to your sweetheart. An important reminder for a strong relationship is to invest in your marriage in order to grow your bond even stronger. This means to do things for your loved one without expecting anything in return. This means to respect how they were feeling in a situation and to ask what they need from you. Perhaps what they need is space in that moment, or maybe they would like a hug. It is always good to ask what they need. Honesty is also a good investment into your marriage, making it last forever. So express how you feel about any given situation with authenticity. Don't worry about hurting their feelings, because if you're being honest, your partner will truly understand where you're coming from. Another important thing to notice during your long and happy marriage is that your partner will change and grow along with you. So allow them their growth as the individual that they are. Be happy when they change for the better, and be there for them when they need help during their hard moments of life. The only thing in life that is permanent is change. Good. Now let's begin to imagine your marriage 10 years from now. You love each other more than you did before. You see the change and the age that has graced your husband or wife. And you respect all that they have become. Clearly see yourself getting along extremely well. Laughing each day about something that brings you both joy. Vividly imagine you both staying fit and healthy together. And yes, even imagine some difficult moments that you make it through, coming out stronger on the other side. Marriage is one of the most beautiful and sacred experiences of our life. Now again, remember the moment that you said your vows and were officially a married couple. Clearly see all the details of that moment in time, gazing into their eyes and perhaps a kiss. And now remember clearly how you felt. Where did the sensations of pure love rise in your body? Feel these sensations again right now. And imagine that golden cord connecting your palms together forever, feeling its strength and beauty. Now, hear yourself saying these positive affirmations. My partner is a true blessing. Our bond is a miracle. I am devoted, loyal, and compassionate in my marriage. My spouse is my favorite person. I strive for greatness in my marriage. I listen to my partner and understand that change is something that is beautiful. I love my spouse with all of my heart. I move through difficult times with unconditional love. My marriage is a blessing. Good. Visualize your partner right now. See them in all their beauty, wherever they are currently on their own life's journey. You may bring your hands into the prayer position. Imagine looking into their eyes and say, "Thank you for choosing me." Take a deep breath in. Gently return your awareness to your current surroundings and open your eyes.